Here's your Kitsap Weekly Housing Report with tips on buying and selling a home in this week's market. There's 69 new houses for sale this week, a decrease of 18% from last week. We will see this reflected in the pendings next week and in the solds 3 to 6 weeks from now. Pendings are 127 and solds are 72. Homes that reduced listing price this week were 14. 14? Kitsap is seeing tons of reduced listing prices. It's because of overpriced houses. Sellers, the huge amounts of money that you're losing by overpricing your house is its own video. We'll get to that one another day. For now, sellers, here's the cheater version. It's better to underprice in this market because there will be a buyer who will pay the crazy price you dream of as long as you don't overprice your house. The problem with overpricing a house is it forces you to reduce price, which makes buyers suspicious that something is wrong with your house. And then your house sits and it becomes stale. And stale listings make buyers think something is wrong. Next comes the lowball offers. It's seller hell. So, canceled listings were 5 this week. This one's interesting. What's notable about the canceled listings is most of these were new construction. And they were under contract with buyers. The seller, who is the builder, canceled the contract, leaving the buyer without a house. This means the buyer thought they were buying a house and the builder canceled the sale. Who does that? New construction builders do. Google it. The buyer is often out of luck in this situation. If you are buying new construction, run your purchase contract by a real estate attorney before you sign anything. Please, for the love of God. Residential housing inventory is down 13% this week at 164 units. Simply a result of fewer new houses coming on market this week. Cumulative days on market this week is super high at 32. This is interesting because it was due in particular to one sale that was on market for 593 days. That's 1.62 years. And of course, it's new construction. Not only can new builds cancel your pending sale, they can also take forever. So, homebuyers, here's how much sold homes sold for above list price this week. Homebuyers paid on average 4.24% above list price according to stats. I am waiting to see how the stat changes in the next couple weeks because we are seeing offers that are getting accepted at 15 to 20% over list price in the field. Thing is, we don't know if these homes are making it to closing yet, but I'm sure a few of them are. Moral of the story this week with stats is, there are more home buyers out there than anyone can estimate. It is brutal. That doesn't mean that sellers have the upper hand though. It's still possible to overprice your house and take a beating as a seller in this market. For more videos like this, please press subscribe. We'd love to see you here again. Thank you for watching. We'll see you right here next week. For more videos like this, press subscribe.